that are old and not very strong anymore. So we're gonna remove them just by sliding them back. No.
Oh.
Maybe this one will go better.
That's what happens when things get rusty.
Oh, they're not rusty, they're just tight, but not very tight. Maybe if I squeeze that thing down. I can get a little more up on them. Okay, come on, you should be getting over that hump. Oh my goodness.
Tough one, ain't it?
Well, they were a pain to get off to begin with.
They were?
Yep.
This is replacing the clamps with
Band clamps.
band clamps.
Yep, replacing spring clamps with band clamps.
Important.
Okay, maybe I can get it off the end. There we go.
Look at that. You can just slide it up. How are you going to get it?
Where's your arms out?
I bet. Little clamps are hard, dude.
And spring clamps are a pain in the butt. I hate them. But engineers like to put them on everything.
Why is that?
Because they're easy to put on, but hard to take off.
So it's a very secure tool.
Yeah, but not very effective. Because if they get old and weak, they start to leak. And that's what's happening here. It's leaked out all my hydraulic fluid, and I can't turn my steering wheel.
That's important for the O3s.
It's important for any truck, any car, to have power steering.
Do all cars have power and trucks have power and steering fluid?
All trucks that have power steering do.
Wow, that one is tough.
Yep.
I don't see how you're not breaking that clamp.
Oh yeah.
They're durable. That's surprising. Okay, brute force then, I guess.
Yep.
It works. Sometimes you gotta use that measure.
This is a time where you don't want to be underneath the hose.
Okay. Why is the fluid hot?
No. It's nasty.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh.
I'm gonna take that off. Take that off. See if I can straighten out this pipe. Watch yourself. It's gonna leak.
Yep. I can see that. It's
Now the pipe's a little bit rounder. And we're going to slide on one band clamp down out of the way, the other band clamp down out of the way, and put them right back on the way they came off.
And just like that.
Yep. And just like that. Then you tighten them.
And this is replacing band clamps with
No, spring clamps.
spring clamps with band clamps. How tight do you have to have them?
Tight enough not to leak. Usually just hand tight. And if it leaks, you put a little more tightening on it until it stops leaking. That's my weak shoulder I'm doing that with. And it tires pretty easy. That should do it.
That's it.
That's it.